Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel once again. I'm so glad to come your way. In today's video, we are making Ghana Etor, which means mashed plantain. This food is loved by most Ghanaians and it is normally eaten on special occasions like festivals and others. So let's go and check on our ingredients. I have my plantain over here, my ripe plantain. I also have my onion, my red scotch bonnet. I'm going to add salt. I also have my palm oil. I'll be adding this egg and also avocado with my roasted groundnut. So let's go and make this recipe. So we are going to start by peeling, cutting and boiling our plantain, which I have washed neatly in order not to transfer the dirt from the back of the plantain to the main food. So I'll go ahead and add my eggs to the plantain. I'll be cooking them together in order to save time. Also, I'll add some salt to it. I'm going to start with my grounding. I have my pepper over here. I'm adding my onion. I'm not going to add salt because I'll be adding my fermented salted fish, which is locally called the momone, and also I will add my roasted groundnut to it before the other ingredients. My plantain is well cooked, so I'm going to remove it and set it aside for some minutes before mashing it. And also I will add some cold water to the egg in order for me to remove the shell easily. After mashing, our etor is ready to be served. So I'm going to serve it with my boiled eggs and with my avocado. I'm also going to add some groundnut and some onions to it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment and share this video. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome to this channel, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos. And to my old returning subscribers, I said thank you very much for always taking your precious time to watch every video I post. Till I come your way, peace be with you.